We have wind, we have solar, but do we have a renewable energy resource available 24 hours a day, not affected by weather conditions? I'm here in picturesque Tasmania to find out one that does exactly that. Jesse, we're here at Poatina Power Station. You've got me fully decked out in safety gear. Should I be scared?
Look, Rosh, not scared at all. As you can see, the tunnel to Poatina Power Station here will go down shortly. It's a 360 megawatt power station built back in the 1960s. So it's been around for a long time, creating renewable energy. It's a wonderful station, deep underground. We'll go and have a look and see what you think.
I can't wait. You first.
Let's go.
On Tuesday, March the 30th, 1965, His Royal Highness the Duke of Gloucester arrived at Poatina to declare the project officially open.
So Jesse, what are we walking past right now?
We're walking past the machine floor here with the 6 Pelton turbines. So 360 megawatt station, so each machine's around 60 megawatts.
So Jesse, I'm going to ask you to do me a favour. Can you give me the dummy's guide as to actually how this plant works?
The water starts up in the lake at the top of the hill. It comes through a tunnel, down the pipeline, down here and down into the turbine. So it's using all the pressure of that water sitting up at high levels, coming down to be able to spin the turbine. And from there, that's spinning the turbine, it spins the alternator, which produces the energy, which then comes up and through to the transformers and out onto the transmission and through to the wide and M.
I think what really surprises me the most is the misconception that, really renewable energy only started with rooftop, right? So if you think about it, 2005, 2000, maybe onwards, everyone starts to slowly adopt renewable energy. And now, of course, we're talking about net zero, 100% renewable. But this particular facility was created 50, 60 years ago.
Yeah, absolutely. So I think that's a great misconception to call out, solar, rooftops, etc., and even wind. It's a great part of decarbonising the national market and creating more renewable energy in the system. But hydro has been around for a long time. Hydro Tasmania has been producing renewable energy for over 110 years now. So it's certainly been around for a lot longer than most people realise.
If you look at Tasmania and hydroelectric as a whole, why did hydro decide to start in Tasmania and not on the mainland?
Back in the early 1900s, when hydro was started, it was very much looking insular into Tasmania, supplying the local needs as industry and people started to electrify their homes and so on. But I guess over the years, and a real key game changer for us was in the early 2000s when Basslink cable that connects Tasmania to Victoria electrically came into service, and that really opened up the market for us far greater.
So clearly you guys create a significant amount of electricity, not just from this facility, but the other ones around the country. You then have access to mainland. How do you retail that electricity into the mainland?
The key piece there is Momentum Energy. So in all the mainland states where we sell electricity, it's through Momentum Energy, who's our retailer.
I mean, Momentum Energy as an organisation, as a brand, are very dynamic. I mean, they've come up with some incredible programs and different sort of products for not just residential customers, but also commercial, C&I.
Yeah, I think it's a great story and a great message. So start with renewable energy and what a great product to have going, and then all the innovation and thinking and adaptation that Momentum have been able to bring that to the end users, to make good choices with every day.
So Jesse, what are the plans for the future for Hydro Tasmania?
Yeah, we've got big plans for the future. We've got Tarraleah Power Station, a project we're looking to build. Sathana Pumped Hydro we're working hard on. But I guess this is really coming off the back of our connection with end customers and the community through Momentum Energy, and really seeing this awareness of renewables and the desire for people to be able to use renewable energy to support their living needs really grow and grow. So more and more renewables needing to come onto the market to support that desire to see less fossil fuels. We believe hydro plays a key part with that. Partnering with wind and solar to be, a renewable powerhouse of energy options for people, to be able to use.